to show you how to make a natural body cream that is less toxic to people who find it difficult to detoxify. I am Ijeoma Ugubayi Nguyen. I work with children living with neurological impairments as a nutritionist. So here we try as much as possible to reduce the amount of toxins that go into the children's body because they find it difficult to detoxify whatever toxins that go in. So in order to do that, one of the steps we take is to make all the hygiene products from natural sources. Today I am teaching you how to make the body cream without including any chemical that might be toxic to their system. And by doing that, we use the shea butter and we use the coconut oil. This is a cold pressed coconut oil by Alberto's. It is as pure and as clean as you can see. And then we are using a great source from nature, which are the essential oils. These three essential oils we are going to use because of their specific functions. This is orange essential oil. Orange essential oil has been known to increase the amount of glutathione in the body. And glutathione, as we all know, helps the body to properly detoxify. So even if there is toxins already, this will help you to build up the glutathione that will help the body to detoxify. This is lavender. Many of these children are hyperactive, so you find them jumping everywhere all the time. Yes, there are physiological explanations to that, but even before you get that tackled, we advise you use things like lavender. Lavender essential oil is very calming. So you can imagine if your child uses this on his or her body every morning and every evening before bed, I assure you the child will get calmer and calmer. So this is lime essential oil. Normally this will be used together with lemon because in the presence of lime and lemon, there is an enhanced communication between the right part of the brain and the left part of the brain. So by the time you add lime and lemon in the children's cream, you are not just creating a good smooth skin, which we all know that lemon does that. You are also trying to create that balanced communication between the right and the left brain, which enhances the functionality of the children. So using these natural products, we are going to make a clean and natural cream for the children that would ensure limited intake of toxins through the body. We know that the skin is like the second largest organ of the body, and whatever you put on the skin invariably gets into your system. So by eliminating at least the chemicals that come from the cream, you have eliminated a large part of the toxicity in the immediate environment. So now we are going to melt the shea butter. I am going to melt it and we are going to look at some gummy residue that will come from it, and we will eliminate that and pour it as carefully as possible into the container, and we proceed with adding the essential oils. We are melting the shea butter for increased surface area to volume ratio. We are going to break it into smaller pieces. As you can see, there is already the impurities from the earlier melted portion. As we can see, the gummy impurities are forming. You can see. So when it is fully melted and heated, we will gradually sieve off the upper part. I really wish there was something we could use that would just take away the gum and leave the clean part. This is the shea butter melted and almost ready to be used for the all natural healing body cream. So this is how it looks, the shea butter when melted. It had to be cooled. One, not just because of the glass, but because it has to be cool enough to be mild on the essential oils. Some of them could get inactivated under very high temperature. We all know that oils can really get hot. So, carefully. So this is the remnant from the shea butter. You can see the gum-like impurities. You wouldn't want the children to have that. So we are going to add the coconut oil. We are going to use this from a previous batch. We add that. So you are going to add like 2 of shea butter to 1 part of coconut oil. 2 shea butter to 1 part of coconut oil. Needless to say that the need for a cold pressed coconut oil is that all the natural components are very much intact when it is cold pressed. I would advise you to go for cold pressed and not heat processed. They are 2 different things. And then we will proceed to add the essential oils. When it comes to essential oil, we know that little goes a long way. So this is the orange essential oil we talked about, glutathione production in the body. Oh, it's hesitating to come. 1, 2, 3, 4 drops for that amount of body cream. This is the lavender, which is the calming one. We are going to add 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 drops for the calming effect. This is the lime essential oil. We are going to add 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 drops. So you can also add some other essential oils like cedarwood. Cedarwood also helps in mental alertness. You can add your vetiver. Vetiver is also for cognitive abilities. There are lots of essential oil and lots of functions. So instead of having the toxic chemical perfumes added to your children's body cream, you can choose what to actually add. You choose the essential oil based on their functions and based on the things you might want to achieve with your child. So having removed the toxins and having added the good ones, the good essential oils, so this is the body cream. It will just be the right consistency by the time it is cold enough. It will congeal and you will see a perfect cream. Thank you so much for watching, and come back again to our YouTube for your healthier and more natural options to healthy living generally. Thank you.